Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the internet connection. Make sure that you've got one. You can use your mobile data, but to be honest, I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi, and then we can enter the Play Store. If you do not have your Google account currently added to the device, you will have to do it right now. So either log in or sign up, so create new account. If you're not sure how to do it, simply check our video of how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So after that, simply tap on the circle, which is your account. And then we have to tap on My Apps and Games. Alright, as you can see right here we've got the section with the updates, so we can check which apps we've got currently installed and which one we can update. Of course, if you want, you can update all of them just by tapping on this button, but if not, you can pick only one or two from those apps. So let me pick, for example, the Google Chrome. Simply tap on update next to it and maybe Google Drive. And as you can see, your device will right now, hello? Is it working or not? Right now your device will simply download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more, simply wait. Of course, you can turn off the Play Store completely and do whatever you want, because everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.